Hey guys, today while you have a sub, you're going to be doing a super fun activity where you make a roller coaster for a Mario character. So you're going to click Make My Challenge, and you can pick whatever character you want. I'm going to pick Yoshi. You click Next, and this is where you create the coaster. And the way you do that is by typing an equation in for each of these colored sections of the graph. So for the red section, I'm going to start by just doing a line that slants up. So I know y equals x will slant up. Okay, so there's my first section. And you can adjust how big these sections are by moving this, like this. For the next section, I'm going to make it slant up even steeper. So I'm going to do y equals 4x. And then I think I can't see it because I need to adjust what number comes after it. Okay, there it is. I think I need to keep adjusting this number until it'll connect. Okay, that's pretty close. It's pretty close of a connection. So I just guessed at what this number should be after the plus sign. I did not know that 100 would do it. I just kind of guessed and checked. I'm actually going to make it 101 so it matches up perfectly. All right, now for the green section, I'm going to try to make like a flat line just so he has a flat section to ride on. So y equals 41. Let's try 41. 41. Okay, there's a little flat section. I'm going to make the flat section longer. Okay. And then for orange, I'm going to start his downhill run. So let's make it kind of not so steep though. I know it's going to have to be negative because it's slanting down, and I don't want it that steep, so I'm going to make it a fraction, like 1 over 25. Oh, that's really not steep. I'm going to change this to 1 over like 15. Okay, and then I need to move it up. So plus 20, more, plus 40, plus 41, 42. Let's do 41. Okay, so we're starting to slant down a little bit. Let's slant down even more at purple. Let's do y equals like negative 1/2 x plus 41 plus 50 plus 52 plus 51. Okay, see, I'm just playing around with these numbers to make it connect. Finally, for the last section, we're going to make him drop real big. So we're going to do negative, let's do like negative 2x. And I think we're going to have to do plus, let's try plus 50. Maybe we're going to have to be even higher. Plus 100. Plus 120. Oh, too high. 110. Still too high. Let's do like 108, 107. Okay, there we go. So now we have our whole roller coaster made. We're going to click Next, and it'll let you decorate the track. So what you want to do is you can draw whatever designs you want. It can be like a real life design, like you could draw like a sun or whatever real life designs you want, or you can just kind of get like abstract and draw whatever you want, like polka dots or whatever. I'm going to draw a sun up here towards the top. Oops, up here towards the top. Sun, fill it in. I'm gonna draw some clouds up here in the sky. Cloud. Let's make this go over. Cloud. Cloud. I'm going to draw some water over here to make it look like he's coming up from underwater, and like he's going to go back down underwater. Y'all, I'm not an artist. I'm not. And then I'm going to draw fish under the water too. So there's a fish, a fish, a fish. You can decorate it however you want. You can take a while to decorate it. And then on the final screen, it'll let you try out the coaster. So you can see where he is on the coaster, and then you can see all your decorations as you pass by them. There's my clouds. Okay, so he's going, he's still going. So he's just going to follow the line as kind of like the coaster track. And at the end, when you press Submit Challenge, it'll post yours to the gallery. And then it's kind of cool because you can see everyone's roller coaster. And then, you can see if anyone came up with anything cool. Also, you don't have to just use linear functions. You can play around with like absolute value functions or quadratic functions by using the caret key above the 6. So shift 6 to use quadratic or any kind of functions that you want. All right, try to have fun with this, guys, while I'm absent. Bye. See you tomorrow.